Stock market performance, January 2nd, 2026. First day the market opened back up. Micron, tech sector, Intel, and there's a few other tech sector stocks that outperformed. The lower end and lowest yield was negative 8.26, and the highest gain was 8.99. The sectors overall that were performing the first day of the year: the energy sector, 1.9, and the vehicles, consumer discretionary is negative 1.54 with an overall positive cumulative of plus 0.36, and the Dow Jones high-end performance was in Boeing 3.7 and low-end Salesforce. So the currency moves, as you can see, the currency market that moved in the most positive direction: Australian yen on the buys, the euro New Zealand on the sells. And for the dollar yen to be buying and the tech sector to be slightly buying, but the Dow Jones to be outperforming the markets, that shows that most of the money is still being invested into the Intel stocks, the tech stocks, even though the tech sector is down in the NASDAQ. And like I mentioned before, the Dow Jones should start outperforming the NASDAQ. And other than that, the currencies is creating bottoms on the euro dollar. So that's just saying that the dollar pairs outperforming Europe. You go look at the European session, they had a higher performance sector than the U.S. sector. That's why it should be bottoms in the market for it to buy back up, because it shouldn't have sold as much as it did in comparison to the gains in Europe. The Asian sector, same thing. Bond sector, that's performance there. The oil is down, so gas prices are going down. And gold is, I think it's peaked at 4,400, and it should be selling from around that price. The currency market, as you see, the dollar yen had the highest gains. The currency market, the crypto market had moves that took buys, and that's just off of using the tech sector and the financial sector. That's why the Dow Jones is higher than the tech, because people are still investing more than spending. And you can tell that it's not really spending in crypto, it's investing in crypto, because the non-regulation on the crypto is not really a spending platform, it's more of an investing platform.